Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and good. For grade 5, today we are going to start a new chapter in EVS. The seventh chapter, the name is Experiment with Water. Today we are going to discuss the keywords of this chapter. On the first, it is floating. Floating, which means an object which doesn't have a permanent place or settled place. It mostly that we can see in the surface of the liquid. See here, children, the ball is floating in the sea. The second word is dissolved, which means a solid substance get dissolved in a liquid. After some time, we can't separate that solid from the liquid. It is called dissolved. See here, children. The third word is difference. Difference means there is no similarity between these things. A point in which things are dissimilar. Here see, children, all the three are called as apple, but the color of the apple having difference. The green, yellow and red. This is called difference. Tilted. Tilted, which means it move into a sloping position. An object or anything move to a sloping position slightly. That is called tilted. See here, the building is slightly tilted. And the fifth word is argument. Often we can see in the home, I think so. You will argue with your siblings and your parents, right? For doing something. If your parent will say, eat this vegetable, you will say, no, I don't want. This is the argument. Saying a opposite view. If they say, do it, we will say, I won't. The opposite view of an way of saying is called argument. And the sixth word is incident. Something happening or an event that we can say. Currently we are fighting with the COVID-19 virus, right, children? It is an incident. And the seventh word is seashore. Seashore, which means a sandy boundary, a sand boundary near the sea. An area of sand boundary near the sea, which act as a boundary for the sea, right? The beach, the sand near the seas are called as seashore. And the eighth word is flatten. Flatten, which means, flat means we all know. Flatten means making one thing or object flat. We are making the tree in a flat surface as a carom board that we are using for playing purpose. And the ninth word is sinks, which means an object go down below to the surface. It will touch the surface. That we can, especially that we can see in the liquid or in the sea state, where here see, children, the boat is sinking inside the sea, right? It is called sink. And puffed. Puffed, it means an object which is out of the breath. From the normal condition to the out of the breath. It is called puffed. So these are all the 10 words of this chapter, children. Thank you and have a great day.